a routine police call turns into a shocking felony arrest. A stolen truck, a secret firearm, and a dramatic confrontation. Watch how Wendy's story unfolds in an intense, real-life encounter with law enforcement.
Report it stolen!
It's not stolen!
Then get on the ground and we'll figure this out.
I'm not getting on the ground.
Alright, don't go inside the vehicle then.
The vehicle is supposedly stolen. Let me grab my insurance with my name on it.
Okay.
Okay?
Come here, please.
Yeah, let me...
Okay, just...
Don't you want to see that it's...
Okay, I don't know who you are right now, okay?
I can show you right now, just like a pullover instead
just
of being
give me a
crazy and
second.
violent. It's not a stolen vehicle.
What's going on?
It's my dad's truck. I'm on the insurance. I drive it all the time. Like, it's fine. Oh my God, what the hell? He has been a little bit older and psycho lately,
okay? Ma'am, let me put you in handcuffs right now.
No! What the fuck? Don't you want to see my ID? You don't even know who I am, sir.
I'm putting you in handcuffs right now.
You don't need it. You haven't even seen my ID.
Please, sir, I got one female.
The wrong person in handcuffs, sir. Can I please get my ID and show you my insurance and registration?
Give me a second. We'll figure it out, okay?
It's not stolen, motherfucker. My dad is getting older and he's being a dick. And I have, like, proof that I'm able to drive any of his vehicles when mine's in the shop right now and this is the backup and I'm on the insurance.
Right, enough.
It's fine, okay?
Okay.
It's not a stolen vehicle. Jesus Christ, Dad. ID, registration, like, you're gonna want that,
okay.
Right?
Yes, where is that?
In the truck. I'm gonna get it for you. Oh my God, I don't need 10 cops to show you my registration.
Okay. We'll figure out what's going on, but for right now...
Okay, oh my God.
All right. We'll figure it out, but for right now, you just gotta cooperate, okay?
His house. That's where I live with him.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, you just kind of...
You gotta give me a sec.
A little rough.
Yeah, it came out the blue because you want to cooperate with me.
No. You came running at me when I was getting into my truck, and you're like,
exactly.
Oh, I'm like, what the fuck? Why?
Because I didn't want you to get in the truck, ma'am.
I get it. But you could have done it a little more like a pullover. I really would have appreciated that.
Like you've been cooperative so far?
Yes.
All right.
Go to a cage for now.
Yeah.
I would like... What is this? Stop. What are you guys doing?
I haven't searched her yet, so...
Keep going. You're going to get picked up.
You don't even know who I am right now. I have the feeling you're doing this wrong.
Can you be the only additional unit around?
Seriously. Don't you want to see my... Ow! Motherfucker, you guys are violent. No, you're hurting me.
Enough. We'll figure it out.
Hey, I've got a fucked up spine and I'm on disability and shit. You're hurting me.
Relax, ma'am. We'll figure it out.
Because I'm about to take my dad's truck home, which I'm allowed to drive, and I'm on.
Okay, and I will verify that, but enough.
My name's Wendy. I'm on that all-state insurance. I'm allowed to drive the fucking car. Obviously, I had to come for groceries. Jesus Christ. He's been losing his memory and shit, so I don't know.
Okay, and we'll figure it out, but you gotta cooperate with us.
I am. This is just like a lot.
Okay, do me a favor. Sit over here.
Yeah, you guys can follow me home to the address where we live.
Sit up against the car. Sit up against the car for me.
Oh, I can't.
Why not?
Because I have a bad back and I have a giant scar the size of a grapefruit.
Just stand right there for me, okay?
Okay. Can you tell me what's going on? Don't you want to see me and like my ID and shit so we can get
Yeah, I'm trying to get your name right now and figure out what's going on.
Don't you want to see the card?
Stay over here for me. Ma'am, stay right here for me.
I'm right here.
Okay, what's your first name?
I'm not drunk and I'm not on fucking drugs. Jesus Christ.
What is your first name?
I'm sorry, my father has really been at my neck lately. My first name is Wendy with an I at the end.
W-E-N-D-I?
Yeah, same last name.
What's your middle initial?
I'm on the insurance to all of his trucks.
What's your date of birth?
Not his trucks, 3 of his vehicles.
If you can just search her and figure out what's going on.
I just don't understand how that could, like... Not so hard, please. Seriously, I have nerve damage and shit. Stop it!
Let's not do that.
No, it's her. It's not you, sir. I don't want my area. I'm asking you questions. Don't touch me in those areas, babe. You don't need to.
Just infiltrating her.
I don't know if...
I'm just trying to drive the fucking truck home where I live with my dad.
Can we make 1025 with Sumter County and the victim? She's alleging she's the daughter, but I'm not sure.
I know my rights.
Yeah, it's 10-4, except she's not cooperative right now.
Another officer arrives with new information about the victim, who actually owns the stolen car.
Here?
Yeah,
49 Leesburg, 22 my last. Apparently the victim's here. So did he call this in, or?
I think it was his friend, the other person in the car.
Okay. Hey, is he prosecuting, or what's? Yeah. Yeah. 10-4 on prosecution by the victim, Dad.
Help! 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 No, it fucking hurts! Ow! Jesus Christ, people, I am injured!
You take this,
Ma'am.
I just had a clavicle x-ray, it's broken!
Then quit resisting and just relax.
Leave me alone! Ow!
You okay? My apologies. 10-9 your last.
No, I'm not okay. Let me go so I can show you my paperwork.
No, I'm not sure.
Ow! No, seriously, you have to stop. Let me out of here.
10-4, go ahead.
Please, I'm begging you. You're hurting me. Okay.
I get mine's all the way over there. 12. Can I put her in your car real quick? Or 17? Can I put her in your car real quick?
No, let me show you my so that you know that I'm legit. Ow! You have to be more careful. Seriously, you're hurting me for no reason.
This is 17's car, right? There we go.
I'm hurt. Stop.
Ma'am.
Oh, I'm begging. Ow! Ow! Oh my God, you guys are.
I see her open the door, start getting in, so I go taser point on her, and she's been like this the entire time.
She's just excited to see you.
Ay, ay, ay. I swear she probably had something on her the way she was acting.
I didn't get a good search. She was moving around too much.
Yeah, I figured as much.
That belt, I want to get that belt off. Mm-hmm. The way I went in for her, check her legs, she's...
Yep. I was literally rounding the corner here. I hear the call come out. She comes out here. She's fixing her hair outside of the vehicle, and I'm over here confirming the 28. She's literally about to go back inside the vehicle, so I'm like, I'm not going to get her to go inside the vehicle and take a 10-8. So I literally went up to her with taser point, and I was like, get on the ground, all that kind of shit.
The right time at the right place, huh?
Yeah.
17 said he's going to take primary on this. He's talking to the victim and a witness, and the victim's going to take his truck back afterwards.
Sweet.
I wonder if she took this suitcase from there, because it's all filled with groceries.
Walmart's closed now, so...
Definitely looks suspect.
She was giving me some BS excuse and wanted to get back in the car. I'm like, no way. So I grabbed her, closed the door, and then just detained her in handcuffs.
There's nothing in here.
Yeah, well, victim's there, so he can verify what's his and what isn't his and whatever else.
It's a bunch of, there's nothing, illegal per se. Just, she's got quite a few brand new cell phones in the back.
Everything's bagged as far as the bags go, so I can see if they weren't bagged if she was putting them in the store like that, but she's got bags and everything.
She had a crap ton of cash, bro. A crap ton of cash.
No, I appreciate it. I appreciate the assist. Thank you.
We just happened to be around the corner when Further Park called out.
I was literally just hanging out, just driving through, and I heard it over the radio, and I see her just fixing her hair there with the door open, about to hop back into it. So I literally parked up there and just snuck up behind her, taser point, and she wanted to get back in, and I was like, oh no, so just yanked her and put her in cuffs.
I'm surprised if you don't find 31 on that one.
I got a feeling she has 31 on her bra or something, but she, even my female officer was like, she's not letting me, and we're not going to do it here, so.
They'll get it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we just happened to be around the corner.
I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
So were y'all sitting on it and just waiting for her to come back out?
No, I was just rolling through the parking lot.
Just running tags?
Literally just rolling through.
I just run the tag or what?
No, I did run the tag. Yes. We got a call from the complainant, who's the victim, who was in the parking lot over there.
Sitting next to it?
No, he was like, hey, apparently it's the daughter, I guess, that stole the car, and they found it here, so they called us, and my dispatch just put it out over the air, and I'm like, I'm in the parking lot now, like, where the hell is this thing? And I see it here, so I ran the tag real quick, but I thought she was going to get back in. She was initially in the car. As I rounded this, she came out, she's like fixing her hair, doing something, so obviously she must have saw me or whatever, and then as soon as I got the alert that it was signal 10, because I ran it as I was running it to dispatch, I literally just jumped out of my car, went taser point on her, because she was trying to get back into the car. I didn't want her to take off, and she's all blah, 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 so I just would...
No guns on her? You say guns or no guns on her?
Guns.
Well, she might have something in her crotch. In her hoo-ha.
do it.
Hi. What? This is just a little much, I think.
Okay.
Thank you. Tell me
It's a
that.
little much.
The victim, Wendy's father, was accompanied by another witness. This witness was able to place an Apple AirTag on the truck with the father's permission using the key fob. Later, the father and witness were able to use this to locate the vehicle in the Walmart parking lot. They then drove there, confirmed the truck was there, and called the police. While searching Wendy's, purse officers found a firearm to which she confirmed she owns. She was charged with vehicle theft, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, and resisting obstructing without violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty.